Yeah.
Daddy.
What?
You don't have yours. That's yours.
Okay, well then it's my turn then. Cool. And then I'll do one side. What?
See?
Oh, I see what's going on. Like a satellite or something?
What step are you on, Zachary?
We're on number 7.
We're on number 6. Okay. What's the next thing that we do?
What's the next thing, Zachary?
This one. This. And now, Daddy, you forgot something. This. You have to put on stickers.
Okay, but hold on a second. I didn't forget anything. You're the
Be
one
careful.
taking the lead.
Be careful.
Yeah. I got it.
Did you get the right sticker?
Yeah, I think so. Daddy.
Oh, you're right.
See, I'm right.
Daddy, what do you think about that?
About Zachary being right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a good thing. It is.
Can you get the sticker on, Zachary?
I think so.
Okay. What part are you doing, Zachary?
Number 7.
Number 7?
That was just what I told you.
Oh, okay. Mommy wasn't listening.
Yeah, you were not.
Oh, it does look like some kind of an antenna or something, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
For the rocket ship?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool.
Good job.
And now you put them down on number 8.
Okay. I think we're done with that. Ooh, now the rocket.
Ooh, that's gonna be hard work.
But we're gonna work it out because we're good at this.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be long.
Do you like your birthday present, Zachary?
Yeah, I like it.
Good. And who gave it to you?
Grandmommy and granddaddy.
Yes.
We need 2, Daddy.
Okay, my turn.
Ooh, they look like wings.
Yeah.
They do.
So it can fly upside down. Whoa! Ow!
All right. So what's the next move?
Turn upside down.
Yeah. Okay. Now.
Now we turn it right side up.
Okay.
And now we put 1.
Oh, okay. Just one.
Yeah, I think we have to make another one. Oh,
Oh, okay. How did it go?
this.
All right. So Daddy's turn.
Daddy, not your turn.
It was my turn.
Daddy, you just had your turn. Now it's my turn. Because we have to take turns, Daddy.
We are taking turns.
We need this.
What piece is that you need?
A white piece.
No, I thought we need a Okay, we gotta finish this. Where the,
See?
oh, okay. There's one. Do your side, I do my side. Did you get it there?
Get in.
Okay, now,
Now what?
I don't know.
well, now we're on number 7.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's something. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. All right, number 7.
Zachary. You're not supposed to just throw pieces at Daddy.
Whoa. Can you see it?
Yeah,
It's really dark in there.
it is. Okay, and then Daddy's gonna do a tower.
And Zacky's gonna do a tower.
Okay, cool. All right, now next is
What comes next, Zachary?
It's number 8.
Yeah.
And thicker. 2 thickers. I know it's these 2. These 2. Hurry, Daddy. I'm about to get a sticker.
okay. Is it the small one or the big one? The small one? Thanks. Okay, I guess it goes right here.
Where did you put it? Oh.
Like right here.
Good job.
Okay. Use this one.
Wow.
Daddy, I want them to do that first. Now I have to do the other.
Thank you.
Because you do that.
Okay.
It's really starting to look like a rocket.
Okay, now red ones.
4 red ones.
Okay.
You mean number 9? 1. Oh,
Da-da-da.
Daddy, it goes.
Uh-oh, did you drop one?
You know, this isn't right. Okay, so
Uh-oh, what happened?
Daddy didn't do it right.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it right, Zachary. Now Daddy will do his side. Right. Okay. Like so. Cool.
Not cool.
Now what's next? Oh, the gray things?
Yeah, 4.
4. Okay.
So
I
I'm
do
gonna.
2.
You do. Now I'll do 2.
Alright.
So,
1, 2.
3. 3? We don't
Three.
need. We don't have enough.
Yes, we do. I have the 4th one. Like so.
Yay!
Now number. Oh.
We've done.
No, we're not.
We. What is this?
We need this.
Okay. Oh, this stuff? Alright. I think we need some red things too. We
We just
don't.
need this.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Silly faces. Silly faces. Okay, I am going to put this up on YouTube.
Okay. Alright.
All right, back to work.
Yeah.
Say hi, Grandmommy and Granddaddy.